Nagpalitan ng tweets sina Cassie Legaspi at Darren Espanto ukol sa cup noodles. Pag mahal mo ang isang tao, gagawan mo ba siya ng cup noodles pag humingi siya? O hindi kasi sobrang dali lang gawin? Saad ni Darren sa tweet niya noong February 10. I would, in a heartbeat. Reply naman ni Cassie, no, you just said you wouldn't. Sagot naman ni Darren, I was joking, of course I would. Saad ng aktres, good evening everyone, except for the guy who still thinks I wouldn't make cup noodles for the person I love. Tweet naman ng aktres noong February 11. For real, that's so sad. I feel bad for the guy. Reply naman ni Darren sa tweet ni Cassie. Dahil sa palitan ng tweets na ito ng dalawa, ay maraming kinilig na kanilang mga fans.
Like, share, subscribe.